Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the OnePlus 7 Pro and a unique benefit that it offers over other Android smartphones such as the Samsung smartphones and LG smartphones. And in fact, this unique benefit that the OnePlus 7 offers, it shares with the iPhone. So let's dive in and talk about this. So this applies to OnePlus phones in general. And what I'm talking about, the unique benefit that I'm talking about, is the resale value of the OnePlus smartphones, including the high resale value of the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus 6T and the 6 and the 5T, which I have direct experience with. So basically, you buy one of these phones right over here, you pay $600 to $700, $750 maximum for this thing with taxes and everything. And then when you go and you resell them on eBay or any other reseller website that is open to consumers, you get a lot of your money back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ebay.com and I'm going to take OnePlus 6T as an example. Now last year I got the OnePlus 6T, the 256 gigabyte model, for $600, and this year I sold the OnePlus 6T for $450. That's an amazing resale value. Even after a full year, it was able to retain 50%, over 50% of its actual cash value. So let's go to eBay. I'm going to show you guys some of the current listings of the OnePlus 6T over 1 year after its release and how high that phone is still selling for. And of course, this video is about the OnePlus 7 Pro. So if you're the kind of guy that buys their phone in cash and then next year you want to upgrade, the OnePlus 7 phones are a great choice to go with. So let's take a look at that real quick. Let's get some real life data. Alright, so real quick, here's the OnePlus website, and as you can see, the 8 gigabyte OnePlus 6T with 120 gigabytes of storage is $550, and the 8 gigabytes of the OnePlus 6T with 256 gigabytes of storage is $600, and this is the price that I paid last year to buy this phone. So this year, the OnePlus 7 Pro came out, and the highest model is $750. So what I would like to do is I would like to sell this one and use it, theoretically speaking, to buy the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's see how much I can sell this for on eBay. So if I go over to eBay right over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for OnePlus 6T used 256 gigabyte. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to search for 256. I'll narrow it down in a minute. I'll show you how to do that. So over here, we have all these options on the corner. I'm going to go over, I'm going to pick the used option right over here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down over here, and I'm going to show you guys the things that are currently sold and what price they actually sold for. So when I click on the sold items, it updates the listings for what sold on eBay just recently. So quick example. Here's a OnePlus 6T 256 gigabyte model, and this is a midnight black factory unlocked used model. Okay, it's a pre-owned model, as you can see. This thing sold for $425. Now remember, I bought this for $599, and I'm selling this over a year, after over a year, for $425. So my year loss is only $175. Now, if I were to buy the OnePlus 7 Pro right now, even the base model, okay, so here it is, $669 right over here, I can actually buy this phone only by spending a couple hundred extra dollars. Because remember, I'm getting $425 back from my OnePlus 6T from a year ago. And then if I subtract $670 minus $425, that's the difference I'm going to pay in cash to acquire the newest model 1 year after. And of course, here's a quick math. So $669 minus $425 is $244. So $244, I get $425 back from my OnePlus 6T, and I add $244 on top of that and get this brand new smartphone. The same is going to apply when the OnePlus 8 Pro comes out. I can sell this one and then use those funds plus a couple extra $100 on top of that to get the latest OnePlus 8 Pro. So that's really a fantastic deal. So let's go down over here. If you do happen to have a McLaren edition of the OnePlus 6T, that's selling for $600. Look over here, $645. That's pre-owned, okay? Used but in great condition. Okay, and again, you can come to ebay.com and you can just type in any phone that you want right over here to check the resale values of those phones from a year ago or whatever. But just type in here what phone you want, okay? And then come all the way down and click on sold items, and that's it. And make sure that you go for the used product. You choose that option somewhere over here. You'll see it when you, right here, condition used, okay? Now, if I were to go to 128 over here, 128, let's see what those are going for. So again, here's a OnePlus 6, okay? This is even older than the 6T. This one is going for $395. That's crazy good resale value retention, okay? So that's with eBay. Let's go back to my desk. Okay, so as you saw in real life on eBay from those numbers, these OnePlus phones have really good resale values, okay? So if you buy one of these with cash, you know that you made a good investment. You know that you can sell this phone in a year for above 50% value, almost 75% of its value is retained. You get that cash back, you put a couple extra $100 on top of it, and then you get the latest OnePlus 8 or any other phone that you want. So it's a really good phone when it comes to resale value. And let's also understand that the OnePlus 7 Pro, in fact, is a very good phone. Large, beautiful screen, no notches, no punch hole cutouts, stereo speakers, great software experience. So this phone itself is amazing, but of course the OnePlus 8 Pro is going to be even better as usual. Every new phone is slightly better than the older version, and then you can sell this one and get that one. Again, this is strictly for people that are shopping in cash. If you are in the market and you buy your phones and you do upgrades using these monthly installment plans, you can go with any phone you want and you're just gonna get the same exact value every single time. One thing I do recommend not doing is do not do trade-ins, okay? When you are trying to sell an old phone to get a new one, don't do a trade-in. Just sell the phone on eBay to get the maximum amount of cash. Now, if you were to trade this in on OnePlus's own website, okay, or try to trade in the OnePlus 6T on OnePlus's own website, you'll get much less than what you would get on eBay when you sell that. All right, so that was a quick video about the OnePlus 7 Pro and its unique benefit over many other Android smartphones. And like I said, the only other phone on the market that retains such good value is the iPhone. So the iPhone and the OnePlus 7 Pro do have one thing in common, and that is the high resale value. Very good benefit. All right, guys, if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop those down below and let me know. And for now, have a fantastic day. All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.